time it was lovely to come here, and kids have really put lots of effort to learn the thing, and it's really good. Thank you for giving this opportunities for kids. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I have come to this Kalanveshana exhibition program, and I visited science, social, language, and I have come to this art section right now, and the art section is so beautiful. The teacher has taught the kids very well to draw, to do the craft work, and we can see all the children's painting which has been kept over here, and it's wonderful. And even this dress which has been made out of the waste, that the newspaper one, is wonderful. So much of creative idea from the children because of the gadgets and all. Like children and even us, we are wasting our time, energy, we're not putting into creativity. When we come into this art section and see so much creativity can be done with this, we just throw all these things. And when you have time, don't scroll on Instagram, do something like this which really makes you happy. So that's what I learned. This is my takeaway from this art section.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you.
ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು.
ಇದು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ವಿನಿತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, you can say in Telugu.
Art and craft is very nice. Classroom also very nice, and Vinita ma'am is also best.
Every time different types of creativity. This one also, newspaper, the flowers, frog, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. This is very good, Vinita ma'am. Excellent. No words. Craft.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಗೆ. ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ದ robotics section was very good. ಆಮೇಲೆ LKG and UKG sections was very good. And mostly I was impressed with the people who has done this arts and crafts section is very good, and they have a very good creative ideas. All the best for everyone.
Thank you ma'am.